A bomb cyclone is going to bring some of the biggest snow in years to parts of the East Coast this weekend. A rapidly intensifying storm system could drop several years' worth of snow on parts of the Carolinas and southern Virginia, starting on Saturday and ending Sunday afternoon. This storm will be similar in strength to a hurricane, and the winds will feel like it, gusting in some spots 75 miles per hour or greater. And the result will be destructive coastal flooding that could completely rearrange the coastline for years to come.